Hi guys, so I just found out how to play the Bybit sweepers and I thought it would be wise to actually teach you guys. All right, yeah, so I'm going to be teaching you how to play the Bybit Coinsweeper. This is a game that is launched by Bybit themselves to celebrate the 50 million users. To celebrate 50 million Bybit users, they actually decided to bring out this game. According to my speculations, my own speculations are not official. I believe that at the end of the mining period, whatever we get here can be converted to the Bybit token, their local token, if that's the right word to use. All right, so I'm going to be teaching you guys how to actually farm this token. We are going to be learning together because I've not actually won any game, but I've just understood how it actually works. Now let me show you guys a brief tutorial on how to start. All right, so as you guys can see at the top here, we have a flag, and this thing here is for you to open any box. And as you guys can see, that thing is what color? Yeah, this thing is like color red. It has like a bomb icon, but it's not a bump. Once this thing is there, you'll be able to open any box that you want to open. This one here is the number of bombs. It's called mine, but me, I'll be calling it bomb, so that you guys will understand. This is the amount of bomb that we have in the game. We have 9 bomb. And now your job here is an agent. This game is supposed to be called Agent 303 because you are an agent here. You have to uncover all the bombs here. If you hit any bomb, you lose. And there's no small winning here. There's no big winning. Win is win, lose is lose. The only way you can earn higher coin is if you win in a shorter period of time. You understand? So you might be playing, and it's remaining just 2 boxes for you to open. Then you now go and open the box. Piam, it don't go 0. That's how complicated the game is. All right, yeah, I think that's everything that I have to show you guys before we actually get started. So now let's get started. So let's just open a random box and hope it's not a bomb. So this is the best thing. This is the best way to start. You just open a random box and you just hope and pray that it is not a bomb. So now let's see. This bomb right here is a case study. It wrote number 1. That means there is just one bomb that is close to it. And if we are to follow what is here, look at it. You have, I don't know how to call this in English, but it's just like a box, a square, all right, that is around it. As you guys can see, everything around it is unlocked except for this guy. And it told us there's one bomb. That means that's the bomb. There's only one bomb surrounding it. That means this guy right here is the bomb. So we go to flag here. I'm going to change this thing to flag. That white thing will be on the flag. Then I will click it. So it will not open this time around. It's going to flag. You see that? That means I already found out my bomb that is here. Now let's look at another case study. That's why I said you are the agent here. You have to use your brain. If you don't get brain, if you play this game, just quit. That is the truth. Now let's take a look at another coin. This one also, it says there's one bomb surrounding it. So if we were to check like this, we already know that we already found the bomb that's surrounding it, nothing else. So now, okay, so that was the first one I used as case study. Sorry, I made a mistake. All right, so this guy right here also, let me show you. This guy right here also, it says there's a bomb surrounding it. Now if you look at everything surrounding it, this side, so there's 2 options. It can either be this guy or this guy. Any one of these 2 can be the bomb. So we have to choose. So now let's take a look at this guy. This guy says like, okay, there's 2 bombs surrounding it. So if we use this option like this, now we are still lost, because now it is still saying it can either be any of these 3 now. So we still haven't found a solution to this guy. So I think I will just wait for now. Okay, so this guy is our next study case. It says there's one bomb surrounding it, and if we check like this, these are all the bombs surrounding this guy. So definitely this one cannot be this bomb, because if this one were to be the bomb, then it would have told us that there's 2 bombs surrounding it, because we already unlocked one here. I hope you guys are getting. We already flagged one here. So if there was another bomb, it should have told us. That means every other thing here that is surrounding this guy is safe. So let me open every other thing. So I'm going to remove it from bomb. Let's hope my judgment won't be wrong. Let's go and remove everything. So every other thing surrounding this guy is not a bomb. I've opened this one. I'll open this one too. It's not a bomb. I'll open this one too. It's not a bomb. And I'll open this one too. It's not a bomb. You see? Do you guys see how easy it is? Now I can spot the bomb. The bomb that is closer to this guy, that this guy was saying has 2 bombs surrounding it. I'm talking about this guy. Is this box here. So I'm going to flag that box. So let me change this to flag again. Let me change it to flag, and then I'll flag this guy. Right, as you guys can see, we've not gotten any coin. Like I said, is after you get everything correctly that you can get coin. So now let's move on. Okay, so if you guys want to watch me to the end, just keep watching me and see how we do this together. All right, now this guy here says that there's 2 bombs surrounding it. So if we check what is surrounding this guy, it says there are 2 bombs. We already found one. This is the first one. Definitely there's no other box. This one is definitely the second bomb. Let me flag it. Yeah, it's flagged. You guys see that? How easy it is. Now this one beside it too says there's 2 bombs surrounding it. If I go like this, so the 2 bomb, this one has been flagged, this one has been flagged. That means there's no other bomb. So this guy here is not a bomb. So I'll open it. Let me change this from flag to open. Then I will open. Easy peasy. Is that not it, guys? It's very easy. So now this one says, this guy says there's only 1 bomb surrounding it. So if I check, if I should create my box like this again, as you guys can see, we already flagged the bomb here. That means this box is also not a bomb. So I'll open that box. So I'll click on open, and it's opened. Do you guys see how easy this is? And then this one says there's only 1 bomb surrounding it. And if I should click on my box again to check, this is everything surrounding that guy. We already have a flag here. That means the last guy at the bottom is also not a bomb. So I'm free to open it. You see, everything at the bottom is done. So now let's go and solve the one at the top area, the puzzle at the top. So guys, at this point, I'm just so tired of recording. The video was long before I could get it done. It was almost 20 minutes long. You know, I can't upload a long video like that, so I have to just cut this short. And I hope with the little illustration that I've done, you guys are able to pick and you can understand how this game actually works. All right, so I won't be playing this video to the end because I don't like my videos getting too long. This is already long enough for me. And if you have any question, make sure to leave it in the comment section. I'll try to check it in my free time, and I'll try to reply to all of your questions. All right, so I hope you guys learn how to play this and you can actually make some cool cash from it. I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye.